article saying that now you're a national crush, and he's like so cool people. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. And Manoj sir was super cool. I came in, he's like, hi, what's up? I'm very cool. See, मैं कैसे दिख रहा हूँ? And I'm like, hello, I'm supposed to be that cool. It was like, hi, Manoj sir, how are you? Just that. I can call him anytime. I'm like, I'm coming to Uttarakhand. Where are you? It is that relationship now. So now you have a boyfriend है ना? चलो real life में नहीं तो real life में तो है. So I'm like, yeah, shut up यार, now you're all doing too much. कि मैं तुम्हारे स्टेशन पे इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. And I'm like, which station? There's so many stations. मिले आ मुझे पर मैनू जाने आ नहीं. Tell me what's going on, Pa. You guys are not even talking to each other.
कल करे सो आज करे सो अब घिस रहा है रोज तू फल मिलेगा कब.
पर आपको यही जॉब क्यों करना है? तो क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट जॉब में कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता ना, इसलिए.
Hello. How are you, Ashley? Hi, yaar. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well. How sweet, yaar. Thank you so much. I know we are doing this virtually. पहली बार हम मिल रहे हैं, वो भी आमने सामने नहीं, virtually मिल रहे हैं. But thanks to technology, we are able to do it. Congratulations for Family Man. People are loving it.
Thank you.
So, cheers to Dhriti, first of all. The fact that your character is so loved. Cheers. Take a sip after cheers. Yes. Tell me, आपके fans already इतने ज़्यादा numbers में join कर रहे हैं, and they are as it is, they're going on joining.
Oh my God! Thank you everyone for joining in. I really appreciate that. Thank you. It's very sweet.
Has it sunk in? Has it sunk in the kind of limelight that you are in right now?
No, not at all. I need some more time to process all of it. So yeah.
But tell me something, Ashlesha. Okay, somebody before you joined, somebody said, "Is it Ashlesha? Is it Mehak?" तो ये दो नाम का क्या? What is the story behind this? First, tell me that.
Mehak is my nickname, and Ashlesha is my actual name, like in my passport or Aadhaar card, everything. So the story behind it is, my father calls me by Mehak, Babu, and Mac, Max. So I have a lot of nicknames. So when I've started acting since 8 years old. So I used to go for auditions and stuff. So in that slate, so when you give your introduction, so you're supposed to fill a slate. So उसमें महक लिखते थे. And then since then, I can't I'm telling people to forget it. But people are like, no, Mehak is more easy to pronounce and all that. But I'm like, Ashlesha is a beautiful name. I love Ashlesha.
Yes, it is. What is the meaning of Ashlesha?
It's a nakshatra. But if you Google it, so it says star.
Okay. You are a star, born star, and the fact that people are calling you rock star, not only on the sets, but otherwise also. Rock star ban gaye hain aap. Family Man se Family 2 progression. Tell me all about that. What is the vibe on the set like?
The vibe, it's just like you're going on a picnic. You're not you're not working. You are not there is no serious job as such there on the set, because Raj and DK, their humor is the best, and Manoj comes in, and then Priyamani comes in. Vedant, oh my God, he's so energetic. So yeah, it's so much fun, and I am just blessed to be a part of it.
Okay, somebody already started writing Rockstar, OP, new crush of 2021. Let's call me Adiga. New crush of 2021. कैसा लग रहा है ये सुन?
Something new. I'm humbled. Thank you.
The fact that this season 2 saw Dhriti adulting, and getting into that zone where you are part of the adult circle of the family. You are the confidant now. Pehle bacche the aap, where things were kept away from you, but now you are the confidant. she's angry, she's also, you know, trying to find her footing. Dhriti is everything, and you have got to, you know, show various facets of your character in season 2. So was it very exciting? Was it unnerving? What was it like?
So you know, it's been 4 years now, and because of lockdown, the whole the season 2 got delayed, and now I'm turning 18 this year, and I started when I was 14. So I gave my audition to Mukesh Habra, and I was not expecting to get selected and, you know, work with Manoj Bajpayee. I didn't know him that time, but after working with him, and then, you know, uh, so many things that I've got to learn. And
like, you did not know Manoj Bajpayee at all. Like, you had not seen his films, nothing.
No.
Did you tell him that when you first?
No, he doesn't know that. I wish he's not there in this life.
Where he follows us, so I'm sure if he doesn't know, then he will know now.
No, I will watch his movie when, you know, my exams are done or everything. But I did not see his work, and so from 14 to 18 now.
Yeah.
I mean, I was a child. I was so kiddish. I was so like throwing tantrums and all. And you know, they have seen all of it. And now, as a mature actor, I can call myself that, a young adult. I think it is so new for me. Like, I have seen the whole process, and I have seen the difference. I can't articulate it very like properly, but it is so like, what is happening? Like, I am little taken aback. So I am just like, this whole lot of things happening, and it's amazing. It's so good to be a part of it. And Rasa told me now he sent me the article saying that now you're a national crush, and he's like, so cool people. And I'm like, yeah, whatever.
So, you know, the fact that, you know, Raj and DK calling you and showing you articles which says national crush, it's branded. By the way, Aslesha, Dhriti, Mehak, the national crush. Have you seen that progression in the male attention? Do you get a lot of male attention, and does it unnerve you, or probably, you know, feel like you feel taken aback? What is it? Why are they, you know, showering me with so much attention?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You should ask them. Like, we'll do some like Q&A sessions or something. I want to know why. What is the reason?
रीजन सब बताएंगे. अभी तुम्हें मैसेज पे ना रीजन सबके सब बताने लगेंगे. There's already so many hearts. You can see the hearts have not stopped. They're constant. The hearts there also are constant. The red hearts and the white hearts. Okay, have you actually you know, gone through your DMs? Do you get these crazy DMs and messages from your admirers? Tell me the funniest that you've received. Funniest one that you've received so far.
Like, all kind of, like, from the creepiest to the sweetest. So I mean, I don't know, I don't remember now, like, but ऐसे कि they send all शायरी and all that stuff, and then and then
कोई शायरी याद है तो बताओ यार. शायरी क्या किया है तुम्हें? मतलब महक के नाम से शायरी हुई है, धृति के नाम से हुई है, किसके नाम से हुई?
Aslesha, Mehak, they use like shairi in the name also, and then the meaning of it, and then you know, my first live on Saturday I went with Divesh. So somebody wrote ki Aslesha is just a word, Dhriti is an emotion. Like, it's like on some other level. Wow,
quite profound. Yeah, very profound. Now, you tell me, when has this realization dawned? Because you're pretty young, and you know, when we were your age, we used to change our decisions like that because we never really knew karna kya hai life mein, you know, at that young an age. When did you decide, or have you actually, did that thing come to you? I mean, one particular age where you thought ki, acha, this is where I belong and this is what I want to do. I want to be an actor, and this is where I am. वो आ गया था आपकी जिंदगी में कब?
As I said before also to Divesh, like, This is the second time I'm being asked on this question. So, I mean, earlier, initially, I was very small and I didn't wanted to do it. As I said, I was 8 years old, and my father insisted me, you know, to be like, to do something in this industry and, you know, be someone. So I am very rebellious. So he insisted me, he told me कि आप देखो अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है. And then I was like, no, I don't want to do this. What is this? मुझे कैमरा से बात करना पड़ रहा है. This is so weird. I rather talk to people. So like I was 8 years old then. And then you know, I did my first ad, Himalaya. I got selected for it. I just went there. I was myself. I gave my audition, and they selected me. And I was on the set, and I was having so much fun doing it. So for me, that was like, oh wow, this is fun. And you know, Malvika, my co-actor, she was also ki, what do you think? Are you feeling nice? And I was like, "ये क्या है? मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है." Then so after my first TVC, I fell in love with this art, this this industry. And then after that, you know, the hunger, and then, you know, I want to be like that. I want to do this. I want to be in such kind of movies and all of that. And so after my first TVC, I you know, I knew it कि मुझे क्या
How
करना.
old were you at that time?
12.
You were just 12, like not
Yeah.
even a teenager. Just imagine. Do you remember the first day on the shoot set, on the sets of Family Man? What was it like for you playing Dhruti? The first day, your first day.
Nervous. I didn't know what to do, how to say it, how to like perform my body language, the way, you know, to get into the gist of the character, or you know, so many questions, like so many questions. Now if you work with Manoj sir, he'll be like, चलो क्या करना है, अभी करते हैं, अच्छा ये करें, नहीं अभी मेरा मूड है ये करने का, we'll do this first and then later we'll do that. So for me, it was like, what am I part of after like, you know, getting so much appreciation after first season. Like, you know, it went viral and people were loving it because of the whole casting crew and the writing. So my first day was just being clueless. I had no idea about how to perform. And Manoj sir was super cool. I remember I was sitting back in the car, and he came in. He's like, "Hi, what's up? I'm very cool. See, मैं कैसे दिख रहा हूँ?" And I'm like, "Hello, I'm supposed to be that cool, not you." So
that was the first day you met him, or had you met him for the readings or anything before the first show?
For the reading we met, like we had like a whole table, round table with Amazon, so we were there. So there was a lot of reading, but I never spoke to him. Like I never went up to him and have a one-on-one conversation with him. It was like, "Hi Manoj sir, how are you?" Just that. So मेरे लिए तो like I was very nervous, yeah.
तो अब hi Manoj sir, how are you से कैसे progress हुआ है your relationship with your on-screen dad?
I can call him anytime. I'm like, I'm coming to Uttarakhand. Where are you? It is that relationship now. So
what do you call him now?
I call him Manoj.
Manoj. Okay.
Yeah, Manoj sir, Manoj. Because he does like, he's like, "Why are you calling me sir? Why?"
So yeah.
So he, Supan and Manoj sir, they don't like being called sir or anything. So, so they are like, they're forcing us to not call them sir or anything. So it is very informal now. Like हम खाना खाने के बारे में बात करेंगे, and I always like, I chat, I share everything with him. We plan to do stuff like doing yoga together or going for a walk or meeting in some cafe or so I called him after like this followers in my Instagram just increased and I was like, Madhutsa, did you see what's happening? People are like talking, like, तुम्हें मजा आ रही है? I'm like, I don't know what to do. I'm just very overwhelmed.
Okay, that's nice. And the fact that you mentioned going for a walk, a little buddy told me that you like walking a lot. What's behind this?
I love it. Is just as therapy. I just love walking. We can do something like हम लोग भी जा सकते हैं for a walk someday.
We'll do a walk the talk. Yeah, we'll stop at cafes and we'll chat.
Yeah, because the reason behind it is just that you like being in home, like in this room for like isolating yourself is just very boring for me. And after all these lockdowns and everything, abhi to it's a little normal, but I'm just tired of being home and being at home, and I want to go out. So least I can do is just walk. So it's just like a therapy, and I love to like listen to music while walking or think about something or talk to myself and different things like just so.
Okay. Dhruti, I mean, after you did your first TVC that you were talking about, the Himalaya ad, did you go through any acting workshop or theatre? What was it? How did you actually progress into acting?
Oh,
I called you Dhruti, I guess, but I think people make that faux pas because of your character is so popular. Yeah.
I'm used to.
Yeah.
I did theatre for 2 years.
Acha, okay.
So I did some shows there, and then I got to learn a lot of things from that. And theatre is something very difficult. It's just like full in a go you have to do, and you have to perform, and you have to like be very alert while performing. So I did that, and then now I have like there are few things that I have to work on. So it's like voice modulation or different like body language or the way you prepare for a character which you're given, and different kinds of acting, method acting or just knowing it, keeping it raw, spontaneous. So if in future I get an opportunity to do a certain role, I am supposed to pull it off by acting in different kinds of way. So it shouldn't be a barrier, or sometimes the actor doesn't get out of their comfort zone and they try to give a very average performance. So I mean that is a lot of work in concentration and focus. So I think that I have to work on, but I have done theatre. So yeah.
See, I am also reading a lot of comments that you're receiving. There's Sanjukta who just said that you're such a talented girl and she wishes you all the best. A lot of people are also asking, Kalyan kahan hai? Where is Salman? A lot of messages regarding the two of you, the chemistry that really sizzled, the fact that two newcomers took the audience by surprise. What is your, what is the kind of vibe that you shared, behind the sets while the cameras were not rolling between you and Abhay?
Kalyan अपने घर पर है. But I think Abhay and we both are like really good friends. We have worked before in TVC. So so that time though I was like very shy and all, and while working for that, while shooting for the TVC, but now though we fight and we argue on certain things like on films and actors and different different kind of things. So with him it's super cool, and मुझे नहीं पता, but I hope he's in a better place, and I want to meet him soon and chat with him. because abhi to like we wanted to like do a get together, the whole cast and crew. So but we didn't because of COVID. So yeah, I want to meet him.
Okay. So what we're gonna do now, Aslesha, is I want you to hold your coffee cup. I like to call this segment "Sip and Spill." Okay, you're spilling some beans, some more beans for me on the show. I will give you these instances. Okay, अगर आपकी जिंदगी में ये चीजें हुई हैं, तो you will take a sip and you will tell me the little story behind it. Okay. ये मुझे इतना रट चुका है ना, मैं इतनी बार बोल चुकी हूँ when I tell my guests that क्या करना है. You just have to you sip from your coffee as much as you can. Okay, and tell me the stories. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Take a sip if people call you Dhriti more these days. It's an obvious sip. You can gulp down the entire mug for this.
They call me Dhriti, Drishti, and some people don't know the proper word. So it happened with me also. When Raj sir called me to his office, his old office before we were shooting, and they wanted to meet me. So that time he's like, your character name is Dhriti, and I'm like, what? So so I also got no fault of theirs, but I also heard it. So yeah, so people call me Dhriti a lot, and I'm used to it.
All right. Okay. Take a sip. If you became a star amongst your peers in school after Family Man, you were the rock star in school also, the most popular girl.
I was my principal favorite. She messages me and we talk a lot.
Doesn't she have references from your own Sohela Kapoor's role?
Not because I was working. I was not because I was coming in TV or such, but I was working like at a very young age, and she was like, you're very good at studying, and then you are managing different things. So I was her favorite child.
Okay, which is very different from your on-screen avatar, na, where you are badass Dhriti, and your principal is always worried ki ab kya karegi next. All right. Next one. Take a sip. If you've been teased by your friends after the season 2, where you have a relationship and you have the Dhriti's character has a boyfriend, you've been teased a lot by taking Kalyan or Abhay's name. By your friends, co-stars.
Obviously, it's so obvious. They have to have something to trouble someone, or me, poor me, look at my face. They have to go through that trauma.
So, what do they? I mean, they tease you taking his name. Who teases you? Your friends tease you.
Yeah, I mean, now you have a boyfriend, and hello, real life mein nahi to real life mein to hai. I'm like, yeah, shut up, yeah. Now you're all doing too much. So it is.
But when we saw season 2, where JK's character tells Shrikant ki yaar batao Dhriti itni badi ho gayi, uska boyfriend bhi hai. So was it there on the sets also? Kya re? Dhriti's character will have a boyfriend? How is that possible?
Your voice is break. 1 second.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Pardon me?
I'm just saying that, JK's character tells Shrikant that batao Dhriti itni badi ho gayi ki uska boyfriend bhi hai. So was the cast taken by surprise when this plot was introduced, that now that Dhriti is a young adult, she will be dating and will actually show a boyfriend?
I know. I was being teased, as I said, from the first day till now, till today. I'm being teased. I am being told that अब तो तुम बड़ी हो गई हो, अब तो तुम्हें बहुत सारे boys message करेंगे, and now तो you are now तो you will be you have a boyfriend now, तो you तो अभी पक्का अभी तो you're saying all lies कि तुम्हारा boyfriend नहीं है, and I'm like, no, I don't have a boyfriend.
Okay, all right. Take a sip. If you have secretly, and you have to be very truthful, secretly crushed on a co-star or a cast member from the sets of Family Man.
No.
Secretly crushed on no one. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? No one.
कौन है, सब लोग मुझसे इतने बड़े हैं and all
हाँ,
that.
तो क्या हुआ यार, सीक्रेट क्रश तो हो ही सकता है.
नहीं. I have great adulation for every single person from the cast to the crew.
मेरे रानी बेटी वाली बातें कर रही हो यार.
अरे नहीं.
Okay, all right. Take a sip if you remember your first ever time that you performed before a live audience. Have you done? I'm sure plays and everything were live audience, and you must have. So you do remember the first time?
Yes, I remember. I had a solo performance where I was narrating. I was acting for four different characters, and so I played like one uncle, two old persons, and two aunties. So, and
Wow.
one small child. So, वो पूरा I remember, and I can't like I remember my whole like full audience was like turned black, and
Huh.
I was just on the stage.
So it was like a proper monologue. Do you remember
Yeah,
any dialogue
proper
from there?
30 minutes monologue,
My God, yeah.
and it was in Mithibai College.
Okay.
So-
Do you remember anything from that? कोई
I-
line याद है?
No, it's been 4 years. How will I remember?
Okay, but interesting, yeah, interesting. All right. Next one. Take a sip if you have people sliding into your DMs with marriage proposals. Proper marriage.
Oh yeah,
मुझसे शादी कर लो.
creepy one.
मतलब अभी तो बच्ची बड़ी भी नहीं हुई, अभी से शादी, पढ़ने दो उसको.
See, no.
What is the funniest? Do you remember any?
कि मैं तुम्हारा स्टेशन पे इंतजार कर रहा हूँ, and I'm like, which station? There's so
Which
many
station?
stations.
And lockdown में कौन से स्टेशन पे इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
And all creepy, and you know sometimes it's really मैंने वो I think कि वो मेरे घर के नीचे ना आ जाए for some reason. I have to like ऐसे जाना पड़ेगा मुझको.
Okay, this next one is a cue from that. Take a sip if you've had like a funny sort of a fan encounter that's worth remembering.
I was shopping in Kurla Market, Phoenix Mall, and two guys came up to me and they're like, "Oh my God, you are Ziti, no? I know. I saw you. When I saw you, I was so ऐसे excited, and I was in surprise. And then they gave me like they told me कि चलो I'll buy you something from the mall. Just I'm very fond of your performance, and I love, but the way they were talking, and I'm sorry, but I cannot I cannot mimic them. But they were talking. His hand was like this, and he's talking like this, and I'm like, and it
Like
was fun.
they already own you because they know Dhriti so well after watching the episodes of Family Man. Huh?
Yeah,
They had an authority. Okay.
Yeah, and then they wanted to gift me something and buy me something from the mall, and I'm like, no, that is very sweet of you, but I don't want anything. So
पहले पूछा था, अच्छा बताओ क्या देना है, फिर I will decide whether I want to take it or not.
it
Okay.
was bizarre. I was like, God, kaha main itna, it was so strange and weird. I was like, I just want to leave from there. I just want to run from there.
Okay, the last one. Take a sip if you've ever sung in public.
Oh God.
You have. Why? Oh God.
Raj sir made me sing in front of everyone on a Zoom call, and I like a very excited child. I was like, okay, मेरे को भी गाना है, but I ended up singing really bad, and they were After that, they were clapping for me, and I was like, I have embarrassed the shit out of me.
What song was it? What song was it? गा
From
के
his
बताओ.
movie Milaya.
Tell me the Gana. Sing for us.
Hey, no, what now you putting me on a...
Sing one, yeah. So, see, young people should always be very enthusiastic in life. Sing. Had I known, I would have
See,
sung along
I
with you.
know that you're going to save this live, so I don't want to. I don't want
Okay,
to.
sing one line. See, people are saying sing.
मिलया मुझे पर मैनू जाने या नहीं मिलया मुझे पर मेरी सुने या नहीं बस okay now
I'll also clap for you.
no it was
Repeat?
bad
No, it was not.
wait.
You're a sport. Very nice.
Thank you.
On the set, like, you know, Manoj's character is known to Google certain things which he doesn't know, the millennial terms that he doesn't know about, whether it's FOMO, whether it is ROFL, ROFL, or whatever. In real life, on the sets, did he have those queries as well? कि यार क्या बातें करते हो तुम लोग यार, ये किस तरह की language है? Because considering he also has a kid, he has a daughter who must be speaking the same language.
I remember one this anecdote where Manoj sir was, so I went to his van and we usually eat together. So I went up to him and he was just very like a curious child. He was sitting on with his phone and he's just reading something on his phone and he's like क्या ये लोग इधर शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बात करते हैं इन लोग को लिखने में क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है क्या ये क्या है इतना इमोजीज ये सब यूज करते हैं मेरा तो दिमाग ही खराब एंड ही जस्ट रैंटिंग ऑन समथिंग एंड आई एम लाइक मनोज सर रिलैक्स व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद यू so when so he started asking me कि इसका मतलब क्या होता है this so there are different kind of hearts no so there's purple blue and then yellow black and all these so he was so confused with that and with the emojis and with the slang word so we use shook so it's like इसका क्या मतलब होता है इन लोग नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में बात नहीं कर सकते हैं and I'm like I will tell you so I told him I explained him the whole thing and he's like oh my god this is the task and I have to be very updated so I'm like Manoj sir chill these all these terms and everything the cool people use it so हमको भी थोड़ा थोड़ा आना चाहिए doesn't like it's not important.
Okay, this next question is by Manu Prakash. Wants to know about your next project. I'm sure people must be approaching you. I mean, obviously, Family Man season 3 is something that we're obviously looking at. But are you looking at other projects or are you taking it easy?
I'm auditioning for projects and I am getting calls and it's really great. I'm very grateful. But I don't want to put it out there because I think I'll end up jinxing it. So I'm also excited. It's not sure because of the lockdown. Things is like stopped and like it's on pause and there are a lot of things that are in pipeline. So let's see.
Okay, this is another interesting question. This is by Rahul Kedkar. Do you at least within brackets listen to your parents? How is Ashlesha in real life? Are you very similar to Dhruti or not?
I am. I fight with them. And they're like, good, you're fighting. Because they've always taught me to like speak up and, even if you're wrong, you make sure that you are being heard in a room. And so they are like that and they've told me to be like that. But it comes naturally to me. So I to fight like full on. अगर मेरा गलती भी नहीं होगा और I've screwed up something or मेरा mistake है, then also but yeah it's fun fighting with them.
What was
but
their reaction after they?
And all of that. that. Huh? I'm a very
Okay.
nice child.
Okay, I already said Rani Beti. So what was their reaction when they watched you in season 2? Were they worried about you? You got kidnapped, or what was it like?
It's my mother when she was on the 7th episode. So now
Huh.
they've just seen ki I'm kidnapped and my legs are tied to the bed and my hands are like with this band and I am in a very dark space and I'm missing my parents and all of it and I'm screaming and I'm just calling for help and so they're just watching and they are all like ye kya ho raha hai and my mother's reaction is epic she got so angry she's like इतना रुला रहे हैं ये क्या है दिस नॉट फेयर इन दिस मेरे को मन कर रहा है कि वहां पर आके तुझे रेस्क्यू कर लूं एंड ऑल दैट मैंने बोला मम्मा just watch it now the main part is like you're wasting your time telling this everything to me just watch it I'm not going to go back to the starting and then she's like अच्छा लगाओ मेरे को देखना है and then cut to where I am stabbing Hilyan.
Yeah.
My mother is cheering for me. She's like, "You go, girl," and this and that. She got so happy. She thought they're going to kill me or Sajid going to kill me. And I'm like, "See, Mama, I told you." श्रीकांत का खून है मुझ में मेरे में इतना दिमाग I can also make.
Yeah.
So
Dhruti
my
is
father
badass,
is like,
yes.
she is
Yeah.
my daughter, and he was with a lot of questions. How did you do it? And how well have you performed? Really nice, and just keep on working like that, and
How
just
sweet.
be grounded, be humble. Don't take this to your head. So all this was being told to me. So yeah.
Very nice. Okay, this is the last question that I'm taking. This is by Maitreya Desh. Wants to know about your favorite actor. I'd add to this question, is there any particular film which inspired you? वो होता है ना कि you've seen this one film that really affected you. You remember the dialogues by heart, or this one actor who's inspired you into, being part of an industry, which is this one.
Oh, there are many. I want to be a part of Sanjay Leela Bhansali's movies. I want to work with I love Anupam Kher. I love Abhay Deol.
Okay.
And I want to work with Sujit Sarkar.
Nice.
His name is correct, no?
Yeah, of course.
Because no, I call him Suraj. I don't know. I get confused between Suraj Barjatia
and Sujit Sarkar.
Yeah.
You're talking about the Piku director, right?
Yeah. So I want to work like a very light. My genre, like I love very light, fun comedy movies, and comedy is very difficult to make someone laugh. Is just a big task. So my best movie, and everyone's best, and everyone loves this movie, is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and Khoobsurat and Aisha. These are my best. But
So you like Sonam Kapoor?
I love Sonam Kapoor in that movie.
Okay.
I love how she styled herself and everything, the way she have portrayed, and the way she have acted in the movie Khoobsurat is just like me. I am like that.
Okay. Before I let you go, Aslesha, you have to act out one line from Khoobsurat or Aisha or any one film that has inspired you. One chota line. Act out like it were your audition for a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. Come on.
I don't.
कोई भी छोटा सा. फवाद खान के डायलॉग्स भी चलेंगे. I love him.
Wait. मंजू यार, मैंने उसको बोला था ना मंजू यार मुझे तुझसे अभी बात नहीं करनी है, मैं बाद में कॉल करूंगी। ये जो खड़ूस लोग हैं ना, ये लोग सुनते ही नहीं मेरी बात, कब से बोला। और तुझे पता है उसको ना उसको सही होना ही नहीं है, वो चाहते ही नहीं है कि वो सही हो। और मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि ये लोग कितने खड़ूस और एकदम अपटाइट क्यों रहते हैं। ये क्या फ्री चप्पल, नॉर्मल चप्पल नहीं पहन सकते एंड ऑल लाइक ऑल
Nice, very nice. Very, very nice, Ashlesha. Thank you so much for doing this. You've been a sport. This has been a lovely, lovely
See,
chat. I loved every bit of it.
you have made me perform and sing and all sort of thing, and people are going to record this and put it on
Kuch nahi. People are
Instagram.
not going to do anything. I'm going to put it on YouTube later. But right now, this is what is there for enjoyment. People wanted to see and know the person behind you, and that's what they are doing, and that's why they are joining in such huge numbers. You've been lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm telling you, trust me on this. And a brilliant performance in Family Man. And keep shining. You are a rock star.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank
It was
you.
fun.
You take care. Thank you. You take care. Bye.
Bye.